In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to dark mode on GitHub. Switching to dark mode on GitHub isn't just about aesthetics, it can also reduce eye strain, especially during late night coding sessions. Luckily, GitHub has made it quite simple for users to toggle between themes, allowing customization that best suits your preference or environment. Today we're going to explore step by step how you can enable dark mode on your GitHub account. First things first, you'll need to navigate to GitHub's homepage. You can do this by typing github.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you're greeted with GitHub's familiar interface, where you can explore the vast world of repositories, or jump straight into your personal projects. Now, if you're not already signed in, look towards the top right corner of the screen and click on the Sign In button. It's important to be logged into your account to make any personalization changes, including switching to dark mode. Upon clicking, you'll be directed to the Sign In page. Here, you'll enter your username or the email address associated with your GitHub account. Remember, GitHub usernames are case sensitive, so ensure you're entering your details exactly as you registered them. Next up, it's time to enter your password. Make sure to input it carefully to avoid any sign-in troubles. If you've forgotten your password, don't fret. GitHub offers a password reset option right below the sign-in fields. After you've entered your credentials, proceed by clicking on the Sign In button. Congrats! You're now logged into your GitHub account. It's time to move on to the customization bit. Once signed in, you'll find yourself on the GitHub dashboard. This is your control panel where you can access your repositories, view your activity, and much more. Look for the profile icon on the top right of the page, which gives you access to a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. Think of it as the gateway to all the adjustments and tweaks you can do to your account, including the theme settings. In the Settings menu, you'll notice a list of options on the left-hand side. Your target here is the Appearance tab. Click on it, and you're one step closer to enabling dark mode. Inside the appearance settings, GitHub lays out theme preferences, allowing you to choose how GitHub looks for you. You'll find options for light, dark, and even the default system theme, which matches the theme settings of your operating system. For our purpose, click on Night Theme. This option immerses your GitHub interface in darker hues, providing a sleek look while being gentle on your eyes, especially in lower light conditions. And just like that, you've switched to dark mode on GitHub. The change takes effect immediately, giving your GitHub interface a cool, new look while potentially saving your eyes from fatigue during those marathon coding sessions. Remember, you can always switch back to light mode or opt for the system default setting by navigating back to the appearance settings. GitHub's flexibility in customization ensures that you can work in an environment that's comfortable for you, no matter the time of day. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to enabling dark mode on GitHub. This feature is not just about the aesthetics, it's also about providing an optimal environment for developers to work in, catering to different lighting conditions and personal preferences. So try it out, see how it feels to code in dark mode, and enjoy the personalized touch it brings to your GitHub experience. Whether you're a night owl or simply someone who appreciates a darker, sleeker interface, GitHub's dark mode is definitely worth exploring. Thank you for watching and happy coding.